We have a request. Shall we climb up to that mountain over?
Negative, soldier. We follow the route.
Övriga ärenden 21. Vi gör för närvarande kö. Din plats i kön är...
This looks like small World War II trenchers. Oh my god. Oi. So these are my friends navigating through the Swedish forest. We are actually very close to Norway border. But today we are not going to cross the border. Bro, we have a request. Shall we climb up to that mountain over?
Negative, soldier. We follow the route.
On the side.
Left, right.
All right. Aye, Captain. Forward march. Go.
Bro, don't say any bad words. Looks like a place which is built to hunt animals in the open ground. So in this cabin there's a I don't know whether it's stable or not, but let's try. Okay, it's open. Okay, so here the camouflage, and this is the place where the hunter keeps their weapon like this. And in the open field, voila, when animals come they just shoot them down. Pew, one shot if he's a good marksman. Let's go back. Oh shit, I thought it's a snake or something. Let's go back before the hunter comes and hunt me down.
Hey, who's doing the vlogging in that bird watching cage?
This looks great, but this looks like something like a private land, and that looks like a at the oh. See you, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm waving.
Kohdam inni.
Just little left.
Okay. Dekka. So most of the plants here, berry trees are there, a lot of berry trees, but most of them are kind of really itchy because of the fur. If you don't have long trousers, you're gonna scratch your skin a lot. Finally we made it to the water. It's a huge lake, also close to the Norway border. Norwegian border patrol. We didn't bring any. Bro, we have to sacrifice a little bit of alcohol in this year.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, London Dodging. Can I have the lighter?
You have
Just get the highest alcohol percentage.
you have the light. You want this cap?
Later, when it.
You have the matchbox as well.
Matchbox is better. This is
Yeah,
not
that's
working with the light.